Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for July the 6th through to the 8th, 2013. That's this Saturday through until Monday, so the weekend basically. Looking at Friday's highs then, the first of the very warm days has arrived. 26 degrees was the high at 4 p.m. in London, with mid-20s for many other areas, the average being 19.3 overall. The low temperatures on Friday were around 8 degrees generally. You can see quite a lot went down to a low of 8, but on average around 11.2 overall. Looking at the next 3 days, lots of sunshine and very warm temperatures for the southern half of the United Kingdom, especially for the place pictured, that's London there. Very warm temperatures in that region in particular over the next few days, as it has been today. And that's all because of this high pressure system, which is sandwiched, or not sandwiched, but just decide to place itself over the United Kingdom over the next few days, with low pressure systems quite far away, but if anywhere it will be towards the north, and this is where we'll see a little bit of rain falling on Saturday for parts of northwestern Scotland. You can see there rain over the Isle of Lewis, but elsewhere it's not looking too bad. Partly cloudy skies, more sun towards the south, and around 24 degrees being the high in the northern part in Aberdeen on Saturday. And with the elsewhere higher temperatures further south, you can see lots and lots of sunshine here, or mostly sunny skies, almost wall-to-wall sunshine, especially further towards the east along the eastern coast of England. That's going to be where the warmest temperatures will be, with a high of around 28 degrees Celsius, that's 82 Fahrenheit. Looking at Saturday night then, you can see here more cloud building into Scotland and indeed Northern Ireland, with one or two pockets of clearer skies, especially around the central highlands, but elsewhere it's looking more overcast overnight, with low temperatures of around 11 to 15 in Edinburgh on Saturday night. And elsewhere further south, you can see more clearer skies, lots of clear skies over England and parts of Wales. Over in Ireland as well, seeing some clearer skies towards the south, with low temperatures of around 11 degrees in Wales to 16 degrees in parts of eastern England, which is a very warm temperature for night time. Looking at Sunday then, here you can see more sun towards the eastern coasts, with more cloud towards the west, overcast skies along the western coast of Scotland. This is where it will be cooler as well. In Northern Ireland, cloud here as well, but it will remain warm with a high of 22 degrees there, 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Elsewhere further south again, a lot more sunshine here, especially further south, so in the southern half of England and Wales, southern parts and western parts of Ireland. This is where we'll see the top temperatures around 30 degrees in some areas, is very likely 86 degrees Fahrenheit, with more cloud towards the north. It'll be around 23 to 26. Looking at Sunday night then, it's going to be a fairly mixed showing for Scotland here, with a little bit of rain towards the northwest, the far northwest of Scotland. That would be some light drizzle occurring here, but elsewhere it's going to be partly cloudy generally, with more overcast conditions occurring for Northern Ireland, with a low of around 13 to 15 degrees. Elsewhere it's going to be another very clear night for parts of England and Wales. More cloud towards the north and northwest, and especially over in Ireland we'll see a lot more cloud along the western coast, overcast along the eastern coast, partly cloudy, maybe more clear skies towards the south, with low temperatures of around 15 to 16 degrees, very warm low temperatures. Looking at Monday then, in Scotland again it will be fairly unsettled towards the northern half, more rain coming in, mixed in with some sunny intervals for some areas, and further south this is where we'll see the better weather once more, partly cloudy skies with a high of around 25 degrees in Edinburgh, 77 Fahrenheit. And elsewhere further south again, once more we're looking at a lot more sunshine, more clear skies, especially for the southern half of England, and most of Wales will be seeing lots of clear skies, a little more cloud towards the north, but only around the far north of England. And in Ireland we'll see some partly cloudy skies as well, with some more cloud coming in there, high temperatures once more. And looking at Monday night then into Scotland here, more cloud building in once more, heavy rain to the far north in the Shetland Islands in particular, looking at some rain here, and along the northwest of Scotland we'll see some rain as well, a low temperature of around 13 to 15 degrees, and further south once more looking at more clear skies in the southern half of England, but more cloud building in towards the eastern coast this time, but low temperatures again, 15 to 17 degrees Celsius, will make for some uncomfortable sleeping conditions on Monday night, as it is in the next few nights as well. Don't forget to visit the website force13.com, and the next weather forecast for the UK and Ireland will be coming in around 3 days time, but you can go on the website where we now have forecasted tables which update every day, so just take a look at the weather forecast on the website for the most up-to-date information. The extended forecast does show a continuation of the very warm trend and and in very pleasant conditions, especially for the southern half of the British Isles, with perhaps a little more unsettled weather continuing for parts of northern Scotland.